Hello guys, naimbag ay agot ako amin. Mga ka-aliens, I am Nixon Naag. So ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa Cordilleran Indigenous Dance. At ito ang Bendian Dance. Ano nga ba ang Bendian Dance? So, Bendian is a traditional Benguet circle dance symbolizing unity and harmony of the community. The term Bendian is derived from the Ibaloi word Bedoy, meaning fatigue or tardiness. So, Bendian dance means dance still exhausted. In the history of Benguet, Bendian dance often performed for successful headhunters or celebrate community achievements like bountiful harvest. Today, Bendian often perform in gatherings or events like festivals, weddings, and other events, reflecting of the resilience and cultural identity of the Benguet people. In addition, Bendian dance is paired with instrumentals, which is gongs, sulibaw, and tik-tik. So, that's the background of the Bendian dance. If you want to watch how to perform the dance, watch the part 2 of this video on our website, wix.com.